And today back to Rabat. We are going to take the train to Tarzet. We want to go to the Blue City, but we don't know if we can make today because it's 6 hours to there. Tarzet is the border of Africa and Spain, so it might be interesting. I want to spend some day in Tarzet, and I also want to show you the Blue City. The Blue City is where they produce a lot of things based on marijuana. So it's interesting to see. They have shampoo, soap, every kind of different things there made with that. So I think that might be interesting. And also the city is blue, so remember a bit of Greece. Time to go to Tarzet, and this one is first class. My seat is 95 and Anvers it's 93, so we're not going to sit together.
What are you eating?
I'm eating some noodles.
Ah, enjoy your meal.
Just realized that we are passing in a city here that seems abandoned, but that seems that has no one there but have. And some buildings are destructed, and some places are like a desert, but there still are people living there. So it's interesting to see that Rabat and these big cities. So it's interesting to see that like big cities, they are super modernized, you know, have trains, have everything, but have some cities that have nothing. That is a big contrast of Morocco. Just arrived in Tanger. Here they speak more in Spanish because it's the border, so a lot of people you can see that speak Spanish. And the station, the train station here, it's beautiful. Many bags, as always. So now I'm in Tarzet. We are with a lot of bags, as you can see, a lot of bags. So Anvas just went to the seat to show the border. I cannot go there because I'm watching the bags. So I'm gonna wait, and then we are going to Chefchaouen. I don't know how to say that in a properly way, in the right way. But we're going there, the Blue City, and so check it out. I'm really tired right now. This is why my face looked like that. But in the same time, really excited because Chefchaouen seems to be a different part of Morocco. So I'm excited to see that, and don't miss any single video here because this trip has been amazing so far. One curiosity about here, Tangier and Spain are really close to each other right now. So they are connected by this strait of Gibraltar. I don't know if I'm saying right. So you can pass from Spain or from Africa, actually from Spain. And if you're coming from Spain and you want to come by boat, you take the boat in Tarifas and Algeciras. See that the girls, the Moroccan girls, really like great, good brands. Everywhere you see them wearing Chanel bags. Even the thing to put in the hair, they like to use great brands. I'm passing right now and you can see Armani. The store of Armani, it's just right there, and you can see people here really like to use, like everywhere you go they are always using great brands. Now we are in the bus station of CTM. Is one of the best bus here because I saw some tourists came and they took the other one, so be careful with that. It was like a nightmare for them. So now we're going to Chefchaouen. I don't know how to say that, but I'll put the name here, and let's see if we can still get, because right now it's 3 p.m, if we can still get a ticket to go there. Food session. This is a Arabic soda. I don't know, seems to have lime, but also I don't know how to explain. It's really good, but I was expecting the taste of wine, but it's not just wine, have more thing. And this is also, I don't think it's from here, but I saw a lot of places. And it's supposed to have chili and pepper, but it's not so much, but it's good. We went to the bus station, but the tickets were sold out, so we needed to take a taxi, unfortunately.
Welcome to Blue City.
We just arrived in the Blue City, and I'm carrying 3 bags and have to walk so much to get in the hotel. Oh my god. Not filming you, just me. To get in the hotel, we're taking a long path. I don't know if I can remember. Then to come back is so far, and you have to cross a lot of places. Turn left, turn right. I don't know. And with that luggage. The guy now is helping with mine too. Still dying. I don't know, I just need to arrive soon. Die. This place you can get lost easily. And we just arrived in our hotel. We had to walk for 20 minutes and then we just discovered that has a petit taxi that we could take and it would take us to the right way, but unfortunately we didn't know about that. But fortunately, this hotel have a great landscape and a great city view. Check it out. Now time to go to eat. We want to try to find something to eat, but we also afraid to get lost here. Just found a place that sells chicken things. So let's, oh my god, that's beautiful. You can see down there, it seems to be like, I don't know, that seems like Greece because it's like the mountains. It seems to be like a cave. It's beautiful. I just love this place. And everything is blue. Every place you go, it's blue. He looks like he's going to kill me. Or maybe he loves me. We never know. You blurred my movie. Now trying couscous here in the Blue City. Let's see, I haven't tried it yet in Morocco. We have couscous in Brazil, but it's totally different than that. It's really good. So they put something that I must be saying wrong, but it's like a rice and they put the milk inside. Really, really good. You should try it. We're almost in the main park and seems that it has a party going on. Oh, that's dance. Let's check it out. try it. Good bread with the bread.
That is for you. So now trying here in the Blue City, this thing that is just like the best thing I've tried so far. This, it's made with the vegan oil, almond and honey. It's just like perfect. I just showed you how they do here. The honey is pure, so the honey they collect here, same honey they use to prepare this thing. And it's just like, you have to try. If you come to the Blue City, try it.